Welcome! If you want to control who can tag you on Instagram and only allow tags from people you follow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to manage your tag settings so you can enjoy more privacy and control over your Instagram experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open up a list of options. From the menu, select Your Activity. This section helps you manage everything related to your account activity, including your interactions and tags. Next, tap on Tags. Here, you'll see all the posts where you've been tagged by other users. But to change who can tag you in the future, look at the top right corner and tap the 3 dots. This will open more options related to your tag settings. Now, tap on Manage Setting. You'll see a section labeled Who Can Tag You. This is where you can control who's allowed to tag you in their photos and videos. Under Who Can Tag You, you'll see a few different choices. To allow tags only from people you follow, select the option that says Allow Tags from People You Follow. This means only the accounts you follow will be able to tag you in their posts, giving you more control over your tagged content. And that's it. You've just updated your Instagram settings to allow tags only from people you follow. This simple change can help protect your privacy and keep unwanted tags out of your profile. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer, more personalized Instagram experience.